Welcome everyone to unboxing the Soundcore Life Q30 noise cancelling headphones with multi-mode included, according to the box in big massive writing. So the box itself, it just has some features listed on the back. I was gonna say the front, it's not right. You can argue that the multi-mode is our feature listed on the front, but anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. So going over to the unboxing itself and continue on, here is the case. The case, we'll get back to it, but it feels a little on the lighter side in terms of how hard the material is. I think it'll be fine and adequate for a laptop bag. In a suitcase, it might be fine, but you just want to be careful as to how heavy your luggage is with it. And the quick start guide is abnormally large. I don't understand why the pamphlet or document has to be this massive. This day and age of digital technology, you could just put it like a link to a website or an app. But I've noticed this trend with Soundcore headphones when I unbox them. Safety and warranty information, again, overly sized pamphlet, and the case itself, not bad that they have it. It's decent enough for traveling, let's put it that way. It'll protect your investment. So there's the headphones themselves with that golden icons on the side, pretty neat. This little sticker tells you that you can activate transparency mode if you hold the side button, as well as quick pairing. And there's the icons, very rounded. I'm not a fan of the active noise cancelling writing on the side. It just seems kind of tacky a little. All right, just want to point that out there. But I'll cover the design and performance and all that good stuff in the review video. A link to the review will be in the video description. So here's a USB-A to USB-C cable, unfortunately not pure USB-C, as well as auxiliary cable. And that's pretty much it. So again, a link to the review is in the video description. Be sure to check out my social links and website link also in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help, subscribe, and thanks for watching.